DJ Latin Flow, live in the mix.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a requested recipe. Let's get right into it.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, these are the things that you are going to need to make your vegan oatmeal banana muffin. It's so tasty and it's fast and it's simple, and I'm going to walk you right through it. Now guys, make sure that your banana them really ripe. You want to make sure that they're ripe and spotted, because the more spots are on those bananas, it's going to tell you that those bananas are going to be sweet, really sweet, and it's going to have a mean taste to this muffin. Alright, so you are going to need 4 ripe bananas for this recipe. 1 cup of banana flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 ounces of applesauce. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 cup of organic brown sugar, or if you don't have organic brown sugar, use regular brown sugar. You're also going to need a 1/2 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And that is all that it takes to make this oatmeal banana muffin. Come on and let's get started. Okay guys, we are moving on to our very first step. Now in that container I have my 4 extremely ripe bananas, and all you're going to do is get your fork and mash up the bananas. Then you're going to add your 1/4 cup of white sugar and a 1/2 cup of organic brown sugar, or cane sugar rather, and blend that in. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my applesauce to that. Mix that in, and then we will set this aside. Okay guys, we are moving on to the next step, and at this step you want to make sure that you have your oven turned on, because you want to put these in a preheated oven. So you go ahead and you put your banana flour in, and that is 1 cup of banana flour, and you need to have your oven on at 350 degrees. Then you add your oats, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon powder, and just make sure you mix this thing real good, because you want to make sure that you have your baking powder and your baking soda distributed thoroughly through this banana flour. And then we'll move on to the next step. Okay guys, we're moving on to the next step. Now in that container, you want to go ahead and pour out your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and fold that in. And so when you get your mixture looking like this, you know you're ready, and you don't want to over mix this thing, okay? You just folding it in. Okay guys, this is your next step, your last step before you put it inside the oven. I have my baking pan right here, and all I'm going to do is just grease up this a little bit, because you want to make sure that your muffins cups comes out really smooth. Then you put your muffin cups in here. Now you're going to put your mixture inside of those cups. Okay guys, so now that my muffin cups are nice and full, that's how I want it, I'm just going to top it off with some more oatmeal on top. And now these go in my oven, and my oven is on 350 degrees, and this is going to take 20 minutes to bake. So I will see you back here in 20 minutes. Okay guys, so my vegan banana muffin, or you'd say banana oatmeal muffins, are finished. All done. All vegan. Okay guys, so another great vegan recipe for you. Thumbs up, share. Let me know what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.